Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making So guys, I've decided to put together a quick meal for myself. I had some frozen broccoli stalks in the freezer. So I just drop it in here with some ghee, some garlic, some sea salt. I'm going to sprinkle a all-purpose garlic seasoning over it. I'm going to go outside now and harvest some okra leaves. Then I'm going to come inside and wash and add to this as well. Okay, so this is my okra plant here. I don't want to take out much of the leaves because obviously it needs the leaves for photosynthesis. So I'm just going to take a couple just for this dish that I'm just putting quickly for myself together. I went in the freezer and I found those frozen broccoli stalks. I said, hey, let me throw that in with some ghee and garlic. And I just thought, hey, let me add some of the okra leaves to it as well. So I'm just gonna, actually I'll just take these two okra leaves. I'm gonna wash it, chip it up, and add it in with my broccoli. And I'm probably gonna take some, let me take some sweet basil as well to add it up just for a quick dinner meal for myself. You know, when you're gluten free, you have to come up with options, right? All right, so let's head back inside. All right, so I'm just gonna chip up the leaves and add it into here. Whoop, three. I'm just gonna leave that to saute for a few minutes. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic lovers seasoning blend to it. If you're interested in that seasoning blend, I'll leave a link in the description. And that's it, guys. My quick dinner for tonight, which was broccoli stalks with okra leaves and sweet basil and garlic.